Can free will exist in a world of only naturalism? Go.
I would say the illusion of free will exists.
Okay.
That's enough. It doesn't matter whether or not it actually exists.
Illusion.
And
Anybody else?
I thought that if free will does exist, which I don't know, it could only exist without an omniscient power. Because if an omniscient power knows what you're going to do, then it's already been decided, hasn't it? Yeah, predestination.
So it knows everything that's present.
In case you find it interesting, we couldn't agree on that one where we debated that half the time.
Wait, what was the debate?
He's deciding what he's going to do in grad school based on this.
Well,
No, it's great. It's great. That's what it's all.
A comment about this is this could, give dozens of philosophy and physics majors dissertation topics for a long time. Like, these are not questions that one should expect an easy answer to.
Yeah, absolutely. Anybody else have anything to add to those? To the free will one? Okay, good. And then if yes, how can it exist if humans...
Yes. Oh, actually, we did. We said there's room for it in quantum mechanics.
Room for it? Okay.
Or no, we say quantum mechanics makes everything
non-deterministic.
Yeah.
So there's room for it.
Right.
That's big.
So, yeah, compatibilism. Okay, so now, anybody else? Any other thoughts or ideas on this one? And then, how can it exist if humans are matter and all events are causally necessitated by past events and laws of nature? If free will exists. Anybody feel that one?
There's the theory of elbow room.
Theory of what?
There's the theory of elbow room that says even if the universe is deterministic, there's still somehow some element of free will.
Why?
Defend yourself.
Okay, I don't even know how to write that one out.
Just that elbow room theory.
Elbow room.
So, yes, to put it bluntly, quantum mechanics, which is a pretty good theory, states that the universe is non-deterministic. So at a very base level.
That's very debatable.
It is debatable.
I'm not an expert. We could, but
So anybody, so I guess the question is, does free will exist? What's the general consensus? Does free will exist?
For all intents and purposes, I would say yes.
So in that,
We
because
got
we have
one
the
yes.
illusion
Any
of-
other, raise the hands of yeses that free will does exist.
For intensive purposes.
Okay.
Oh,
So most are saying yes. Are there any no's? Are there any no's that no free will? Okay, so there's three no's.
Well, a lot of us got caught up in the illusion part.
Yeah.
Maybe you should ask three.
First order approximation that exists.
There we go.
Okay. So 3 for no free will, and for all the people that said yes for all intents and purposes, if yes, anybody answer the second one? How can it exist if humans and matter, all events are causally necessitated by past events and laws of nature? Mouthful. I didn't write that one. It's my scholar over to the left here.
It exists because there's not. We don't believe there's anything higher up that can see all these past things. And so that's why, for all intents and purposes, I think it does exist, because it would, for anything to be predicted, it would require some agent that knows everything, and it can see all these cause and effect. Write all that down, every single word.
And there's always chance.
Okay.